Hi everyone, my name is Vihit and in today's video we'll be detecting any language using Python in just 3 lines of code. I repeat, हम सिर्फ 3 lines में कौन सी भी लैंग्वेज डिटेक्ट कर पाएंगे पाइथन की हेल्प से। तो उसके लिए हम लोग एक लाइब्रेरी इंस्टॉल करेंगे, वो है langdetect लाइब्रेरी। उसको इंस्टॉल करने के लिए हम टाइप करेंगे टर्मिनल में pip install langdetect and then we'll be just importing that particular library. After that we'll be taking a user input for the language detection. So for that let's initialize a variable and inside which we'll call the input function, and in that we'll pass a text like enter any text for language detection. Okay, and then inside the print function we'll call the language detect library, inside which we have another method which is the detect method, and we'll be passing an argument which is the user input. So now if I just run this and I'll paste a text which is in French and I'll get the code of French language as my output. See, the code is FR for French. So in this way you can detect any language you want by just entering that language text and you'll get its code as your output. So within just 3 lines you can detect any language you want. And that's all for this tutorial, and this video is in collaboration with Universal Coder. Make sure you follow him on Instagram and follow me on Instagram for latest updates. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, understood it very well, and if you liked it, make sure hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.